first imperative was to provide a hygienic place to eat where you didn't have to kind of exchange notes and coins with the vendors, where you don't know where that money's been. And so cash is dirty.
So